Hi there, in this video I'm going to share with you some of the best ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or start a full-time online business, these methods are sure to help you get started. First up, you can start by freelancing on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms connect you with clients who need your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or something else. Another great way to make money online is by starting your own e-commerce business. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon to sell products online. All you need is a good product idea and some basic marketing skills. If you're looking for a more passive income stream, you can also try affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale that you make. You can find affiliate programs on websites like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or Commission Junction. Finally, one of the most lucrative ways to make money online is through creating and selling digital products. This could be anything from an ebook to a course or a membership site. If you have a skill or knowledge that you can share with others, this could be a great way to make money while helping people. If you want to learn more about these methods and how to get started, be sure to check out the link in the comments section for some great Make Money Online tutorials. Thanks for watching and don't forget to click the link to learn more.